Greetings, fellow investors. Today, we embark on an exhilarating voyage into the captivating world of investment growth, where we shall unravel the enigma of compound interest. This enthralling journey will take us through the tides of change in the financial landscape, exploring how technology, innovation, and shifting trends have paved the way for a new era of investing. Along the way, we'll offer actionable advice based on future insights, empowering you to navigate this ever-evolving realm with confidence and wisdom. So fasten your seatbelts and let the adventure begin. Shifting tides in the financial world. As we journey through the annals of financial history, we encounter seismic shifts that have transformed the very fabric of investing. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional financial institutions to grow our wealth. In this digital age, technological advancements have revolutionized the way we invest and opened doors for ordinary individuals to partake in the exciting world of financial markets. Robo-advisors, the heralds of technological innovation, have emerged as our trusty allies. With their algorithms and AI-powered intellect, they tailor investment strategies that align perfectly with our financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Picture this: a virtual financial advisor, tirelessly working for you 24/7, always one step ahead, even while you enjoy your favorite leisure activities. Meanwhile, cryptocurrencies have transformed from mysterious digital assets to becoming an integral part of many investment portfolios. While their volatility may still send shivers down your spine, their potential for substantial returns cannot be ignored. Just like taking that first leap into the unknown, embracing the crypto market can be a thrilling adventure with the right knowledge and strategy. Another significant trend reshaping the investment landscape is the rise of environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing. Investors are now not just seeking financial gains, but also aiming to make a positive impact on the world. By investing in companies that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices, you can contribute to a better tomorrow while enjoying impressive returns. The power of compound interest. Now, let's unveil the crown jewel of investment growth, the mighty compound interest. As Albert Einstein famously remarked, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. To grasp its magic fully, let's delve deeper into the astonishing tales of two fictional characters, Alex and Olivia. Alex, the early bird, starts investing $500 every month at the tender age of 20. Meanwhile, Olivia, intrigued by the tales of compound interest, joins the investing bandwagon at the age of 40, investing the same amount monthly. Both of them continue their investment journey until retirement at 65. Remarkably, Alex's decision to start early rewards him handsomely. Even though Olivia invested for 25 years more than Alex, her total contributions could not catch up to the power of compounding over time. The secret ingredient here is time. The longer your investments have to compound, the greater the rewards. Now that we have unlocked the secrets of compound interest and the transforming financial world, let's equip ourselves with actionable advice that will set us on the path to financial prosperity. Start now. Embrace consistency. The most critical factor in investment success is to start early and remain consistent. Cultivate the habit of saving and investing regularly, even if it's a modest amount. Small drops can create vast oceans. Diversify strategically. While the allure of investing in a single hot asset might be tempting, remember to diversify your portfolio wisely. Spread your investments across various asset classes, sectors, and geographical regions to mitigate risks and increase potential returns. Educate and empower. Knowledge is the key to financial empowerment. Invest time in understanding different investment options, stay updated on market trends, and seek advice from financial experts. The more you know, the more confident you'll be in making informed decisions. Long-term vision, stay the course. Patience and a long-term perspective are virtues in the world of investing. Avoid getting swayed by short-term market fluctuations or succumbing to FOMO, fear of missing out. Stick to your investment plan and let time and compounding work their magic. Embrace sustainable investing. Participate in the positive change you wish to see in the world through ESG investing. By aligning your investments with your values, you can contribute to a brighter future while enjoying the potential for attractive returns. Embrace volatility. As thrilling as a roller coaster ride, market volatility is an inherent aspect of investing. Rather than fearing it, embrace volatility as an opportunity to buy at discounted prices and ride the upward trends. As we conclude this captivating expedition into the heart of investment growth and compound interest, we stand armed with knowledge and wisdom to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. From the emergence of robo-advisors and cryptocurrencies to the surge in ESG investing, the future holds boundless opportunities for growth and impact. Remember, fellow investors, your journey to financial prosperity begins with taking that first step and embracing the magic of compound interest. Cultivate discipline, stay informed, and trust in the power of time to fuel the growth of your investments. So, let us embark on this exhilarating journey together, our sails set for the shores of financial abundance. May we navigate these waters with courage, prudence, and a dash of excitement as we chart our course towards a prosperous future. Thank you for joining us on this enriching voyage through the world of investment growth and compound interest. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos. Share this knowledge with friends and family to empower them on their financial journeys as well. Remember, every investment decision shapes our financial destiny, so let's stay curious, keep learning, and set sail for a brighter financial future together. Until next time, happy investing.